I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around.
So this is my little helper in the mornings, Connie. Say hi.
Hello.
She helps me get all the veggies and everything together for breakfast for the girls and her. So she's my little helper. Yeah. We're gonna do the veggies now.
Is she serious?
Let's go.
OMG.
Let's go.
Okay. All right, I'm here now.
What are you doing? That tastes good? That's my finger.
What's next? What the Gib. Gourmet.
That's not even your bowl. It's the teal's bowl. Is that Connie approved? You are a nuisance, you know.
What the fuck?
Yes, you like
OMG.
strawberries. What are you doing? Once again, that is not your bowl. Hey, what's that?
OMG.
Oh, I know. What are you doing with that? Excuse me. What are you doing with that? This is really hard to do. Let's get you to your cage. Well, that's Connie sorted for breakfast, and now I've just got to give the teals their veggies, and then I'm going to start on my breakfast. So, you guys want some veggies? Oh, Miss Emma, you're already waiting. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's actually pretty cold today. Like, I am gonna put on my jumper. I'm actually freezing. It's supposed to be summer here in Australia, but it does not feel like summer at all. So, I don't know. This is how most of my mornings actually go. I sit here, eat breakfast, and the girls just have to be around me 24/7.
in the city. I got a house with a guest room, I don't know who's there. Got a person that loves me. She hates the way that I talk, I smoke, I stare. I'm a king in a castle. I'm the ghost in the corner.
It's a birds have already gotten to this box. Are you kidding me? If you guys don't know already, I have been using these magnetic lashes. They're from a little company called Silly George, and if I open them up, they look a bit silly right now. I've cut them up into 3 pieces and I'll show you how I put them on. I will never go back to glue lashes ever again. I'm stuck on these. Stuck. I'm funny sometimes. I grab my little tweezers and I grab one of them and I just pop it into the corner, just like that. And then I grab the other half and I will just quickly scoop that under there, press them together. Voila, we have one little strand on. How easy was that, Charlie? Then I grab the second part, which is going to be the middle of the eyelash. You know, oh my gosh, what is going on here? All right, so this is me with both of the lashes on. I am honestly just so in love. They look so natural and they feel natural as well. Like there's no stickiness from the glue. There's no peeling off from the glue. They are just sat on with magnets. I love them. So yeah, this is the drama set. It is one set. It may look like 2, but it's actually one whole set, and you just stick the top lashes and the bottom lashes together, and that is what creates this natural looking vibe. I've been using them now for probably 2 months, I would say, and I would not work with a company if I didn't agree or love their product. I'm super in love with this product, and that is why you can use my code Seychelles_15 for 15% off if you would like to try some for yourself. I 100% recommend them. I don't have to use glue anymore. I don't have to worry about my lashes falling off. Like, I have had big naps in these bad boys and they have not fallen off. They haven't even budged. I don't recommend sleeping in them. If you have a cheeky nap, that's okay. It looks like I've got lash extensions on, but in reality, I put these bad boys on myself. All right, now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna go to the shops and get myself some stuff for lunch. I've been so obsessed with making tofu bowls at the moment. So I'm gonna go to the shops and get a couple of ingredients so I can make that. What do you think, Charlie? Get some lunch? Yeah. So wait, before I go and get some lunch, I'm just gonna quickly clean the bird cage very quickly. Did you just poop? I'm not sure. Anyway, and then I'll go and get some lunch. So first things first, let's clean that bird cage.
Thinking with silly, thinking about the masses, thinking why does the world keep passing? Overwhelmed or underwhelmed, the lights were flashing. It's a dead man's party for it.
All right, we're finally going to the shops to get some lunch. Come on, Charlie, come on. I gotta put the beaks back. I know. All right, I will be back. Don't cause too much trouble, okay? We'll see about that.
Punks laughing, and we're alive, burning, crashing. I'll find myself in another place, to find myself in another place, deciding and fighting in the sun.
All right, I just got home from the supermarket and I am starving. I got myself a little Twix bar just to help the hunger, because that is good. Okay, hi, welcome back to my cooking show. If you hear Connie in the background, I'm so sorry. She gets really excited. So I'm gonna be making a Japanese styled tofu bowl. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know exactly what this bowl is. We've got broccolini. We're not gonna need 2 broccolinis, but just in case. Whole grain wok ready noodles, sesame and garlic marinated tofu, spinach, carrot, and some radish. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, the coriander. All right, well, I was just at the shops. You know what, it's fine.
Solid in every song, in every wrong. Beautiful to see the world that way. You'll say yes to anything, believe in what they say.
Everything is pretty much done. I've just got to wait for the noodles and the tofu to be done, and then I get to put it in this beautiful bowl and eat it. I'm super excited. By the way, this is a massive salad bowl by Robert Gordon, and I use it as my tofu bowl to eat out of. I want to do so many cooking videos, but I am so embarrassed by this 1970s stove. Like, can't do it. My dad is like a massive hoarder when it comes to like secondhand things, or like he like tries and keeps things right up until it's dead kind of thing. Like this thing's still going, so he's not gonna throw it out and get a new stove. It's fine. One day I would just love to have my own little home and do cooking videos with you guys, because I would love to do like more bird recipes, you know, do like Christmas cookies, stuff like that. But I'm just so embarrassed about this kitchen. All right, what's going on over here?
You're my soul, you're ultraviolet, and every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. Swallow this song to serenade the ultraviolets all alone.
All right, so I've just made my tofu bowl. It is one of my most favorite meals that I can make now. Like, it is perfection. I wish I could explain the flavor to you. It is just immaculate. I love it.
This for me?
Charlie.
Oh, okay. Sneak attack. Play it cool, Charlie.
Okay, look, I'm not sure what's going on, but Emma is trying to get onto my fan. Not sure what that means. Look, she's about to do it. Oh my god. I know what you're thinking. Don't do it.
I'll do it.
Like, what's gonna be up there?
Watch me.
Oh my gosh. What were you expecting? I'm gobsmacked. I don't understand. But, you know, each to their own, I suppose. I'm gonna keep eating my delicious lunch. All right, so I finished my lunch. I didn't actually get through it all because I made too much. My eyes were way too big for my stomach. It's fine. Now I've put myself into a food coma and I desperately need a nap. So I'm gonna go have a little nap. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go hang out with Connie and then finish my commission that needs to be done very soon. I think I'm gonna end the video there. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you can let me know that you enjoy my content. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I'll see you in my next video next Sunday. So ciao for now.
Quick MGOK, nap time.
Hi.
No sleep for you.
This is such a great angle. Oh my god.